We are showing you everything we ate and enjoyed in Malang, East Java, one of our favorite cities in Indonesia.
Spicy.
I'm Gwynne.
And I'm Patrick. At the moment we are driving the scooter throughout Java, and we started in Bali and we go until we reach Jakarta.
In our previous video, we explored the city's famous villages and historical places of worship, but on this video, let's feast.
We had so much amazing food in Malang. First, we're going to show you the 3 most famous places in Malang.
Depot Rawon Nguling, Bakso Bakar Pak Man, dan Pecel Kawi.
Yuk, kita mulai.
We are finally at some really good rawon place. It's recommended everywhere, all over the internet. I'm really starving now after exploring parts of Malang, and we just can't wait to eat.
That was fun. Wow. Terima kasih.
So rawon is an Indonesian beef soup. It originated from East Java. It uses black keluak nut as the main seasoning, which gives a dark color and a lot of nutty flavor to the soup.
So this is lauk, so like that stuff that you can just put on your table and smell. You will be charged for every single piece that you take.
Put it all in.
It's just really spicy.
Yep, the sambal is spicy.
It's so tender.
It's really good.
Is this the best rawon I've ever tried in my life? It's like so flavorful and peppery.
I was skeptical about oxtail. It's just like very good. So which ingredients are in there again?
A mixture of garlic, shallots, keluak, ginger, hazelnut, turmeric, red chili, and salt with diced beef slices, lemongrass, galangal, bay leaves, kaffir lime leaves, and sugar, and then added into the seasoning. So it's a lot of ingredients.
Okay, so this was the best rawon food that I ever had. What is a Malang food adventure without having a little snack in Indonesia's most vibrant, historical, and colorful village?
Delicious food during the day is nice, but Patrick needs a challenge. So we headed to Bakso Bakar Pak Man. It serves grilled meatballs ranging from the spiciness level of 0 to 3. What's interesting though, you also get your own buffet of blue glass noodles, tofu, and steamed meatballs.
Okay, blue noodles. Yes. We do. Okay. Pedas mega pedas.
Always. So like everything we need, like the noodles we take, this we take,
Yeah.
and we get like this bakar on the stick.
Yeah, sama arah nih Mbak ya. Okay, habis this. Okay.
I love these roasted onions. Give me these green stuffs.
This is yours. This is spicy.
Nice. We have like different kinds of bottles to add the stuff.
Have you tried the bakso?
I tried the bakso basic one here. Really good. And the sambal is really spicy. So this is grilled bakso.
It's a nice change because we always eat warung with rice, you know, nasi campur. Oh damn. Oh. That is some spicy sambal.
This is a bit spicy. I took a lot of this sambal sauce, and I also got like this spicy bakso bakar. Now my mouth is burning.
I asked for like the non-spicy because there's 3 levels, like non-spicy, medium, and spicy. The non-spicy one is already pretty spicy for me.
My nose is running. And Gwynne's also a bit suffering. The usual. So I got the spices level 3. I forgot this actually after I got it. And I tasted like
around it. Like I tasted this first, and I also put the sambal already in there first. And then, oh yeah, burning on the lips and on the tongue.
Oh yeah. The bakso itself, the balls, they were nice, but they're not really spicy. It was the big spoon of sambal that actually made it kind of spicy. What do you say, Gwen? She's just trying my soup.
Jeez. Why though?
Because it's delicious.
It's delicious. Are you full?
Alright, full. So finished.
You're just sweating.
Yep.
Yep.
Finally a good spicy experience.
Perfect, perfect. I'll ask for tissue. Well, he got the challenge he wanted. The next dish we're gonna try is actually my favorite dish. I can eat this all day and every day. It's pecel, a traditional Japanese salad with peanut sauce served with crackers and sides of your choice.
We also had pecel as breakfast when we had a little break on our adventure to Bromo. And we love it. And after the Bromo hike, we went to Malang's most famous pecel place. We cannot get enough of pecel. This dish is so good, we actually didn't really have time to film a lot because we're busy eating it. So you have to make do with the video we have.
Can't wait. Can't wait to eat one of these Java's most staple dish.
You just had one already in Bromo, but then we thought I want another one, like from the most famous place in Malang.
Since 1975.
1975. Yeah, that was fast.
Now this looks like a real Nasi Pecel.
That was the most famous Nasi Pecel in Malang. Nasi Pecel.
Maaf ya.
Pecel Kawi is located in the Idjen Boulevard area, and food-wise, it has everything you want. Bored of Indonesian food? The area has Japanese and Western restaurants. But for a week of our Malang stay, we mostly eat in the great warungs of Idjen Boulevard.
So what do you have here?
I have eggs, jackfruit, tofu, vegetables. Yeah, that's it.
Gwynne is
really
always going for the veg version, whereas I have to have meat. And what I love here in Malang, they have not the Indomie. They use really actual noodles, and they treat them with love. I have some egg, fried egg, rice, and also vegetables, and this big piece of ayam ketchup, like soy chicken.
And guys, the streets on Idjen Boulevard are really special, especially on Sunday mornings. It's actually car-free day and everybody's just walking around. And on this car-free day, a lot of street food stands open up, which is amazing. There's so much choice.
But here's the thing that astounds me the most from the city of Malang. Its hidden villages. We were just out for some lunch and laundry when we randomly walk in this colorful alley which extends to this vast and colorful village.
This is Bareng village. Here you meet the friendliest people and the residents come together to repaint the houses in different colors and once a year on Independence Day. So cool.
There's even bakso you can eat here in these very narrow streets. Looks like its own universe inside a city. And here you can even enjoy, damn, a view like that. I mean, you see the whole city in the back. Look at that. Oh, the other one is getting jealous. We have a little friend following us now. You said goodbye. Why are you going now?
The city of Malang.
Man,
There's just so much to discover.
We met so many nice people, we made friends, we found so much amazing food. We learned about culture, about Indonesian culture, Malang culture. It was just so special. Malang is really one of my favorite places. Make sure you see the first video we made because that's so much, it's full of culture. It's so great. And hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow our Instagram, make a comment and like and subscribe everything. And have some good food and a wonderful day. Bye bye.
Bye.
Depot Rawon Nguling. Nguling.
Pot.
Huh? Depot Rawon. Depot Rawon Nguling. Depot Rawon Nguling. Depot Rawon Nguling. Okay, just say it.
Depot Rawon Nguling.